Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download Stockfish 17.1 engine and install it to your computer. First you have to go to Google search engine and type Stockfish 17 download and then press enter. Here you will see this link called download Stockfish 17.1. Click it and after clicking on it you will find various download options. If you have a Windows computer, you have to use the Windows option. If you have a Linux computer, you have to use the Linux option, and there's a Mac OS option too. But in my experience, there are very few apps that allow you to use Android version of the Stockfish, and there are very few apps that you can use the Stockfish app in iOS. But today my focus is only on Windows option. So I'm going to click the show more options button, and here you can see many different options to choose from, but you may be confused because there are a lot of options. What you have to do is comment your computer processor type, for example Core i7 11th generation, Core i7 9th generation, Core i5 12th generation, like that. Then I will recommend the exact version that can be used in your computer system, and it will be very fast if you choose the correct options. For my computer I can use this AVX2 option, so I'm going to click download button. After downloading this, you have to use the WinRAR program to open this, or any zip program that extract your file, and then you have to use a chess-based GUI to run the engine smoothly. I'll show you how to do it in the later part of the video. Let's wait for the download. Okay, Stockfish version has been downloaded. Like it says like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this Stockfish Windows file and open it in WinRAR. Here I can extract this file like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extract this folder to a location I know. I'm going to press this extract to button, and then I'm going to select a location where I can use this Stockfish engine for future use. For example, I can select this chess-based folder, and there I can select, let's say, a folder like Combase. Then I'm going to press OK. Then it will be extracted, and after that I have to open chess-based program or chess-based reader program in order to run this engine. So let's see how you can install the Stockfish 17.1 engine to your computer. Okay, I have opened the chess-based reader program. Right here I'm going to click on this board icon, and this window will be appeared. Here you have to click on this home button right here and click create user engine. Here you have to select the computer engines where you extract to the Combase folder or any folder you like. Click these three dots and this chess-based folder in the document section. I installed my engine to the Combase, and I'm going to select this Stockfish Windows multiplied by 86 file, and then I'm going to click open. If it's the correct engine, it will show Stockfish 17.1 here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this parameter button, and I have to make sure that skill level is 20 and threads will be okay 2 or 3. It depends on your computer processor. So if you comment your computer processor with the generation, I can recommend how many threads and what is the exact type of engine you can use, AVX or POP9C or any other engine type that is suitable for your computer processor. Okay, then I'm going to click OK, and here OK too. So I have installed this computer engine. What I'm going to do now is click on home and click add Kibisa button. Here you can see this Stockfish 17.1 engine that I have newly installed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on advanced, then I'm going to click default engine. Okay, here I'm going to select this hash memory to 500. If you have more hash memory, like let's say 10,000, then choose 2000. Okay, then I'm going to click on OK, and again OK. Now the engine will be loaded, but you may not know how to read this engine. So you can change the CPU numbers by clicking this button. If you have 4 CPUs, you can select 4, and then it will be running very fast analysis. But right now I'm going to select only one because I'm recording. Okay, first of all, to analyze, you have to enter few moves like this. Then let's make a foolish move like knight take e4. Here you can see minus and then plus, right? This means black is winning. If the line is in front of the plus mark, then that means black is winning. It's really black is winning here. So it shows the line in front of the plus mark. Let's say black make a foolish move. After the move bishop c4, he plays, let's say, queen to g5. Now it shows the plus mark first and then the line. That means white is winning. Okay. So if it shows like something like 0 point something below 0.5, that means the position is almost equal, especially if the number is between 0.0 and 0.3, that means the position is equal. If the number is above 0.3 and between 1 point, then that means the side is better. If the plus icon is above the line, that means white is better. If plus icon is below the line, that means black is better. And if the plus icon is in front of the line, that means white is winning. If the plus icon is behind the line, that means black is winning. So that's how you can understand the moves. For example, engine right now recommend knight c6, and if I enter pawn to d4, engine recommends e take d4 as equal, but it says knight take d4 is slightly better for white. Okay, if I press e take d4, then it says bishop c4 and knight take d4 are equal. You can play it without any problem. For example, this is called the Scotch Gambit, which is very tricky opening, and you can continue analysis like this. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in another video.